Hey guys, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. Let's check rules that shape your data. Let's talk SQL constraint. So the question is, what are the constraints in SQL? Constraints enforce rules on data in tables. They ensure accuracy and reliability. For example, types of constraint is primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, check, default. For example, create table. So you can say that here primary key, not null, check, all are the constraints while creating a table. Application applied at column or table level. Strong data starts with strong constraints. So if you like, please subscribe and comment to our channel Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.